Negative integer, so I have to go left of -2. If positive, I have to go right of -2. But as it is negative symbol is there, plus minus will be minus. So I will go left of -2, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So it will become -5. Here is written -5 is there. Subtraction of integer. Question is that subtract 12 from -14. Okay. So first write down, after from what is written here, you have to write first here. Remember, after from what is written here, there, you have to write first here. Then for from, you have to give symbol minus. Then plus 12 is there. So minus into plus. I have written here, plus I have kept here, and minus I will keep here. So similar symbol. This line is similar to this one. Minus into plus, I will get minus. Plus into minus, I will get also minus. So here also minus 12 I have written for the additive inverse of 12. So I will go later on the what is additive inverse I will tell you. So here two negative integers will be added. So negative sign put here as I earlier said. Then only numbers we will have to add. Numerical value 14 plus 12 to minus 26 minus sign will be there as two negative integers are there. Okay. So one important thing you have to remember here, symbol minus minus plus, minus into minus plus, bracket means into. Similarly, minus into plus minus, plus into minus minus, plus into plus plus. Two same sign, the answer will be plus. Two opposite sign, answer will be minus. Answer will be minus. It is very important in mathematics. You have to remember these signs. Next question, subtract minus 25 from minus 30. So similarly, as I told earlier, after from we have to write first one. The first one is minus 30. You write here. Then put symbol minus because from is there. Then minus 25 given bracket. Always I told you in the minus symbol, the negative integers you have to keep it in bracket. Then minus into minus plus here. Minus plus. So minus 30 plus 25. Then two negatives, two opposite integers are there, negative and positive. For some moment you forget the symbol of these two. Then who is bigger than 30 and 25? Who is bigger between these two? 30. So bigger minus smaller I have written here. What is the sign before bigger number? Minus. So I have put minus sign here. So minus 5 is the answer. 30 minus 25 minus 5. Okay. This is all about your addition and subtraction of integers. Okay. Coming to the properties of addition. First property I have written here, commutative property. What is that one? Let a and b are two integers such that a plus b is equal to b plus a. You can take c and d, x and y, anything. A plus b is equal to b plus a. That means if I change the order of digit, the value remains constant. If I add the two numbers and I interchange their order, the sum will be same. So I have given one example here. I have taken a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, LHS a plus b, 10 plus 5, 15. You can take any other examples, negative and positive. RHS b plus a, so b will be 5 here, a 10, 15, the answer will be same. Proved. LHS is RHS proved. So note, you have to note it down from this property. What is that one? Important. Integers are commutative in addition. That means commutative property holds good in addition for integers. Then second law, closure property. If a and b are two integers, then their sum a plus b is also integer. Simple thing it is. Naturally it will be done. A I have taken minus 10, b I have taken 6. So you add these two numbers, a plus b, what you will get? Minus 10 plus 6, you will get minus 4, you solve it. So which is also an integer. So what is the point we came to know? Closure property of addition holds good in integer. This is most important point. Short question may come from this note. Closure property of addition holds good in integer. True or false? It will be true. Okay. That is associative property of addition. So here in associative property of addition, we have to take 3 or more integers and we add them, we group them. If a, b, c are 3 integers, then a plus b in bracket plus c in outside is equal to a plus b plus c in bracket. So if here the addition, the group in which they are order, the value remains constant if we add them. So here also I have taken some examples. I have shown here. A I have taken 6, B minus 4, C minus 2. LHS, A plus B plus C. So I have kept here 6A plus B minus 4 in curly bracket, then plus minus 2 in outside the bracket. So first of all, you solve it, because bracket, whatever the numbers are in there in bracket, I have to solve that one first. So 6 minus 4, 2, plus into minus minus, 6 minus 4, 2. So plus into minus 2. So 2 minus 2, 0. Coming to RHS. So RHS is A is outside, B and C is inside. The order, the grouping is changed. Here one group is there, here B is added to here, so other group. But the value will remain same. A plus A is outside and BC is inside bracket. So minus 4 minus 2, I have to solve this one. I will keep like this, 6 plus 4 minus 6 will 0. So these two are equal. So LHS proved. So similarly, you can take another examples of A, B and C at home, try at home and see whether this LHS and RHS are equal or not. It will definitely be equal both sides. So that what we derive from this associative property? We have derived associative property of addition holds good in integers. Associative property of addition holds good in integers. As we have proved, so we have to obey that this property also holds good. Coming to additive inverse, next property, number 4 property, inverse, additive inverse. If A is an integer, then there exists another integer minus A, such that A plus minus A is equal to 0. You take any integer A, make it negative, then you add those two numbers, you will get 0. That is, the sum of two opposite integers is 0. That means opposite of 5 is minus 5, opposite of 6 is minus 6, opposite of minus 8 is 8, and you add those two numbers, you will get 0. I have taken one example here. 4 plus minus 4, I will get 0. So what I conclude here, these two integers 4 minus 4 are additive inverse to each other, because their addition I will get 0. 4 minus 4 are additive inverse to each other because the addition is 0. So additive inverse, the question can come in exam, what is the additive inverse of minus 8? Will be 8, is 8. What is the additive inverse of 20? Minus 20. Just change the symbol, change the sign. Minus 2 plus, plus 2 minus. Okay. Next property is additive identity. If A is any integer, then A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. That means if we add any integer with 0, the result will be that integer. So 0 is called additive identity of integer. The sum of integer and 0 is the integer itself. So which is the additive identity? 0 is the additive identity. It will come in exam. Which is the additive identity of integers? 0 is the additive identity of integers. Short question will come in exam. Next, addition properties finished. Next, come to subtraction of integers. Next, now subtraction of integers. These properties we will go on. First property, closure property. If A and B are any two integers, then their subtraction, then their difference also an integer. A minus B is also integer. Take any example A. B also I have taken minus 2. Then I have subtracted it B from A minus B. So A is 8, minus sign give here, B what is minus 2, keep it in bracket. Then minus into minus, solve it, plus 8 plus 2, 10. 10 is also an integer. Okay, understood? Note, what I derived a note? Closure property of subtraction in integer. Closure property of subtraction holds good in integer. This note, what I have written here, you have to remember it very carefully. These are the lines will come in exam. And example, whatever I have given you, you may take other examples at home and practice at home. It will come like this. Next property, commutative property. Commutative property. Let A and B are two integers, then A minus B not equal to B minus A. Remember it. In addition, A plus B was equal to B plus A, but here it will not be equal to A minus B, not equal to B minus A. So we will show it by an example. Let A is equal to 6, B is equal to 4. A minus B is equal to 6 minus 4, 2. Then B minus RHS, LHS 2. Then find out RHS, B minus A. B, what is B? 4. What is A? 6. 4 minus 6. I can write here 4 plus bracket, in between bracket I kept 6, minus 6. So this line is similar to this line. Mark here, plus into minus, bracket means into, plus into minus, minus. So 4 plus minus 6 will be minus 2. Okay, if you solve it. So minus 2 and 2, these are not same. So this LHS not equal to RHS. So what do we conclude? Now commutative property of subtraction does not hold good in integers. Commutative property does not hold good in integers. In subtraction. Coming to associative property. We have to similarly we have to take 3 numbers A, B, C and 3 such that A minus B in bracket minus C not equal to A minus B minus C. So here the also group is in order and the difference is not equal. You take 3 examples of A, B, C, try at home and see that these two LHS and RHS will not be equal. So note is associative property of subtraction also does not hold good in integer. Only closure property will hold. Okay. So with this, we will end today's teaching. So whatever problems in the books, in the exercises, you practice at home. And in my next video, I will come with another topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and do take a very good care of yourself. Okay, bye.